What's up, guys? This is your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Today we doing some renovating. Right now we doing measurements for the new home we purchased. Nothing fancy, but it's ours. We own it. We purchased the trailer off of somebody who basically just wanted to get out of it. So we got it at a pretty decent price, back tax prices, so needs a little work. This is gonna end up being my daughter's room. Y'all can see, give y'all a quick spin. You know, that wall gotta get replaced. My son's room. This stuff still got to come out. We still emptying out the house as well, but this will be his room. He don't have no walls need to be replaced, but patchwork there. He likes the ceilings. Yeah. Project work. This the hallway we in, and then you come into the living room area. It came with pellet stove, the wooden walls. It was a nasty carpet in here. We pulled it up. That was a leftover people's couch that's being removed. Yep. Boxes we have, packing boxes. Let's go in here. New stove coming. New sink coming. New cabinets. Yep. We getting ready to do plaster work here. And then also this room as well. As you can see, the person was in here and living real foul. So yeah, we ripped the floor up in here. We gotta get in there, clean the walls, get the walls, knock this tile up, redo this wall, take this wall down. Yep, but just a quick walkthrough of what's going on. This is the bathroom. Putting another toilet in it, and getting that one snatched out, putting a new one in. Little itty bitty shower, new top getting ready to put in. Yeah. So yeah, this is the new adventure for the Smoking Metal family. Stay tuned, man. Let me know what y'all think. Quick starter, renovation, then sell later, make more money on top of what we already gonna make and put into this. So I think it's a quick flip. I want a bigger and better things. So it's what in progress. So yeah, it's work. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.